Hey, back again with another video. This time we're studying I've Got a Feeling. The Beatles song, Paul McCartney's been doing it solo or whatever. So there's a lot of variation. I mean, you can make it your own. I've made it my own. I like this song. You can do it solo with the band, whatever. And the chords are, to outline, A and, hold on, D. How does it start? Yeah. I've got a feeling deep inside, oh yeah. And so I like to use some rhythmic elements, some breaks, pauses, leave room for any fills or embellishments by other instrumentalists that might happen to be there someday. Anyway, it just goes back and forth between A and D to start off. So always simplify. But I like to kind of work on that scale there. It's kind of I've got a feeling deep inside, oh yeah. I've got a feeling I can't hide, oh no. It goes to the E major there as it builds up. Yeah! So that's yeah! Yeah! E, G, and D. I've got a feeling. So it goes from that build up, that big crescendo moment, just like yeah! And then back to the A, D, A, D. Second verse. Oh, please believe me, I had to miss the train, oh yeah. And if you leave me, I won't be late again, oh no. Yeah, I've got a feeling. It's pretty simple, really. It's a fun song. Easy to learn as a band. I mean, you're going back from the tonic to the fourth, one chord to the fourth chord. That's it. I got a feeling, keep me on my toes, oh yeah. You can slide into that D too, Woo! I've got a feeling, I think everybody knows, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I've got a feeling. And then, the outro, however you want to do it. Everybody, dot your I's now. Everybody cross your T's. Watch your P's and Q's, yeah. Everybody say Gesundheit when you sneeze. Whatever, So that's I've Got a Feeling. I hope you've got a feeling. And if you have a feeling, subscribe, like, and share. And leave a comment, because I guess it helps the algorithm or whatever, So, all right, hang in there. Keep practicing.